In this video, you will learn how to use the chamfer command to create beveled edges on a solid body in your design. The chamfer command in the design workspace is a feature that adds a flat surface between two adjacent faces of a solid body by removing material from exterior edges or adding material to interior edges. Go ahead and open up the chamfer command from the Modify drop-down to bring up the chamfer dialog box. Fusion 360 is instantly asking you to select the edges to chamfer, so go ahead and click on the edges of these four holes. Now you have these four edges selected, you can create the chamfer by dragging the handle or entering a specific value. Enter a value, press OK, and you can now see these features have appeared in the timeline. You can always modify this chamfer by right-clicking on the feature in the timeline and selecting Edit Feature. Then, if you press and hold Ctrl or Command on a Mac, you can add other edges to this same selection. Go ahead and add the bottom edge of our pocket here, then let go of the Control button to confirm the selections and press OK. Now you can see that you have added that additional chamfered edge to this same command. Now let's take a look at creating a two-distance chamfer. Press S on your keyboard to bring up the shortcut command and search for chamfer. Select two distance from the drop-down, then select the outer edges of the end cap. Then go to your top view and use the zoom window tool so we can see things a bit more clearly. In this example, you can create two separate edge distances by dragging the respective handle, or by entering different values in the boxes. You can also flip these values if needed. Press OK and click on the Home button by the View cube. Now you have this additional chamfer feature that is also captured in the timeline. Finally, you have a distance and angle chamfer type. First rotate the view so we can see the back of this end cap, then pre-select the edges by holding Shift on your keyboard and left clicking on them. Once selected, right-click to bring up the marking menu and you will see the chamfer option in the list below. Click on that to bring up the chamfer dialog box one last time. First select the distance and angle type from the drop-down. Then go into your right view and zoom in on your drag handles to get a better view. Enter a value to state what the distance value is. Then, if you drag the angular handle, you can see how this becomes narrower or steeper, depending on which direction you drag. Of course, you can always set this angular value in the box as well. That covers everything on the basics of using the chamfer command in Fusion 360. Thanks for watching.